The simulation you were just looking at is found at this site. Type in PHET and type in wave on a string. There. Set it up just as you were shown. That's what you were shown prior to seeing this page. Here's a description of what we have. It's a mechanical lever oscillating up and down. It has a frequency, and it creates a wave with a frequency and a wavelength and an amplitude. There's a clock there. You can use the clock and the rulers to measure what you need to. The assignment is to do these 4 things for each of these items here. It's mislabeled, that should be 4. I'll do the first one for you. We can slow this wave down, and we can actually pause it, and we can step 1 frame at a time. That's good to know. You can adjust these rulers to put them wherever you like. And side ruler as well. And there's a timer here that you can start at any time and clear. The first one says to go 1 centimeter for an amplitude and a frequency of 2 hertz. So we set that up, and I want to get the rulers up and out of the way. And let's just hit play with normal speed. And there is that wave. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to set this reference line to be right at the peak, and it looks like if I use this side ruler that I do have an amplitude of 1. Now I want to measure the period of the wave, so I'll go slow motion and pause it actually. And I'm going to step through, and I see 0 at a peak. And I am going to play that until another peak comes through there. And I'm actually going to time it here. So I will click through, hold it, and here comes another peak to 0 where I started from, right frame by frame by frame, right there. I'll say 0.5 is on my clock, so the time for 1 cycle of this wave to occur is 0.5 seconds. So period is 0.5 seconds. I see the wavelength right now from crest to crest. It goes from 0 to 3. Let's see, 0.2 would be the first increment, so I'm going to say 3.1 centimeters. So wavelength, crest to crest, 3.1 centimeters. So I have done this, and I've done that, and now here I'm going to use V equals frequency times lambda, wavelength, to figure out the wave speed right here. So that is this column, F, times this column, lambda, wavelength, 2 times 3.1 centimeters is 6.2, and the units will be centimeters per second. And this is how you go about making these measurements from the waves. Please do 2, 3, and 4.